how to copy Instagram comments. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in the actual Instagram app. So yeah, let's get started right away with this super quick and easy tutorial. So all you basically want to do is simply just open any comment section you would like to. So I'm just going to open up this one. And then all you basically want to do is simply take a screenshot. Now, once you've taken a screenshot, you want to go ahead and open up the Photos app of yours. And once you are here in your Photos app and you want to copy, for example, the top comment over there, you simply just want to like long hold with your finger onto the text. Now I've just done that, and now I can select this text right over there and click on copy. I can, for example, go back real quick, go to the search bar and then search for this. And as you can see, I have now pasted in this comment. Now over here on this one post, I also tested this out real quick with a link. Now, when I click on it just like this, nothing really happens. So I'm going to take a screenshot once again, go to the app, and then I'm going to long hold on the link. And as you can see, it actually like opens up the link just like that, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.